Maroma here, bringing you natural ingredients whenever possible for over 40 years. If you are watching this video, you're probably wondering, what makes Maroma's solid shampoo any different from the shampoo you are currently using? Then you need to keep watching for our secret to luxurious hair that looks and feels its best. Using normal soaps for hair will help to clean the hair, but we know that they can be harsh on the scalp and lead to skin problems. The best shampoos are solid, packaging-free, and travel-friendly. Maroma's solid shampoos are packed with hair-loving ingredients like organic coconut oil, deep conditioning avocado oil, and mango butter. For oily hair, there's our bamboo charcoal solid shampoo, which contains kokum butter and hibiscus flower extract. It soothes the scalp while increasing manageability and shine. They are 100% natural and great for all hair types. Wash away excess dirt, oil, and styling products without stripping your hair of its natural oils, and leave your hair feeling happy, healthy, and clean. Using a shampoo bar is surely the right decision to make. Pick out your favorite scent and see for yourself. Just click the link below and get your solid shampoo today. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, it's free.